Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I would do a makeup tutorial. As you guys can see, I already have my base. I was baking a little bit. I thought I would start right now. Yeah, so for today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. It's not just a makeup tutorial. I wanted to go back into my collection. I was just looking at what I had and I thought I would give another chance to a palette that I didn't really like, which is the Rimmel palette. You guys remember I did a review on this palette like a couple months ago. I don't remember when exactly. It's gonna be linked down below if you guys want to go and check it out, of course. Yeah, so today I just thought I would do another makeup story using that palette and only that palette, nothing else, and see how it goes. And I'm not just gonna do like something simple. I'm gonna try and do a cut crease and see how it looks. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. And hopefully it works better. I know which shade didn't work well, so I'm gonna try and use other shades that I used in the first one, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, so let's just get into it. So I guess remember it looks like this. These are the colors. So they're really all kind of pink colors, shadows in the palette. So the first thing I'm gonna do, my eyelids are already primed. Yeah, they're already primed. I had some concealer on before, so we're just gonna start on top right now. So first I'm gonna take my blending brush, my Sephora blending brush. It's number 27. If you guys ever wondered, this is my favorite brush. It's expensive, but this one is worth it, I find, because it really blends really well. So first, take a blending brush and I'm gonna take that pink shadow that's right here. I'm gonna take this one and put it in a crease. As you guys remember, there's no mirror, so I'm gonna use my small one. So we're just gonna do something like this, really soft. So you want to do the same thing to the other eye. So next I'm going to take a smaller blending brush, if I can find it, something like this. This is my Real Technique brush. They call it a crease brush. So next I'm going into that shadow here, the one next to it. It's like a deeper pink with a little bit of like berry kind of color. I'm gonna put this deeper in the crease. You want to take a good amount because I really want that shadow to be kind of dark. So I'm basically gonna pack it on. So I'm gonna bring it in a little bit inside with just like faded. I'm just gonna blend inside here like this. I'm really trying to pack it on, but as you guys can see, it's like, this is how dark it's gonna get, I think. Because I'm really like taking a lot and trying to pack it on. Like I know with other shadows I can pack it on even with a crease brush. I don't know why. I mean, it's pretty true to color, to be honest. You can see it's this one here. So before I cut my crease, I'm gonna try and deepen the look a little bit. So I'm gonna take the shadow that's right next to it and I'm just gonna put it in my outer corner. It has a bit of like glitter, something like that, but it's okay. Just to make it a little bit more vibrant, I guess. So I'm gonna bring it a little bit in. So next, I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna use my Better Skin concealer and my flat shadow brush. I'm only gonna cut my crease up to like somewhere here. I guess we'll see. By the way, it's okay if you go like a little bit further, because anyways you need some space to like blend the colors, different shadows together, so it looks more put together. So next I'm taking an eyeshadow brush, like this one, and I'm going to take this shadow here, the second one from the palette, and put it mostly in the center of my lid. Okay, so I just ended up like putting it everywhere. I don't know why, I just did. Okay, so next I'm going to take that shadow here, this one, and I'll put it on top just because it's a bit more, I guess, reflective, I would say, a bit lighter. I don't know if it'll do anything, you guys can see. I'm gonna put it mostly in the middle. It's nice. Oh, Judge, it's really nice. As you can see, it's like more reflective in the middle. Alright, yeah, I like that. Okay, so next I'm gonna go back to my blending brush and I'm just gonna blend between the two here, so it looks more put together. You can take a little bit of that shadow that we put in the outer corner if you want to make sure it's well blended. You just have to do a zigzag motion and it will just blend by itself, and you won't have that harsh line that we had before. So now I'm going to work on the lower lash line. So I'm going to take my angle brush, this. So first I'm going to dip in that, actually I'm going to dip in those two colors here for the outer corner. And for the inner corner, I'm going to use that pink shadow here. And I'm going to take my blending brush and just blend the outer corner so it's like all meshes well together. Okay, so this is pretty much the finished look. I don't think I want to add anything to it, so I'm just gonna go and finish my makeup off camera. So I'm gonna do my lashes and I'm gonna add some highlight and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I just finished my makeup. I put the lashes, highlight, and lips. I did add a little bit of like liquid gold, I don't know how it's called, liquid glow by Anastasia, just a line here just to like fancy the look a little bit, because I thought it was missing something, I don't know, but let me know what you guys think of it. Going back into the palette, I'm happy I dig back into the palette because you guys remember I didn't like it the first time, but going back, I mean, it looks really nice and it looks all glammed out, and I didn't think I could do something like that with this palette the first time I used it. The only thing I will say that I said in my first tutorial, I just wish the shadows were more like pigmented, I guess, like more vibrant, because I felt like I had to dig like a lot before I would get like a nice color payoff. That's the only bummer about this palette, because I feel like I have to work for it, but in the end it looks really nice. So this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really like it. I think it's so bomb. Anyways, let me know down in the comments if you guys ever tried the Rimmel palettes, because I find they're not consistent, and I just want to know if you guys tried other ones and see how it worked for you guys. Let me know what you guys think of this shadow look. And also, I know it's pink again, but I'll work something out to make some different colors in my next makeup tutorial. I swear, I promise, it won't be pink and it won't be yellow, it will be a different color, okay? Yeah, so yeah, and I'm just looking and I'm like, I like it. Yeah, that's it. So thank you to everybody who likes, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.